For those of you asking questions on Token Splash and Launchpool, let me make a video one more time. If you come to your Bybit, you tap more. You tap Token Splash. If you tap Token Splash, you will see the available Token Splash. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. There are a lot of them. So if you come to Token Splash, do the one that is 10 days up. So this one that is 5 days, don't do it. This one that is 10 days, you can do it. So if you register, if you tap join now, you do join now in all of them, all the ones you want to do. This is the most recent one. 1, 2, Not, Drift, Foxy. If you register all of them, I can't register because I'm a partner. You get? So if you click join now, this one is for new users only, this particular one. So if you open a Bybit account now, you can do this one. Then you check Not. This one is for old user and new user. So the green part is the new user, the orange part is the distance. So if you just tap register now. So before you fund your Token Splash, make sure you register on all of them. Make sure you register on all of them. You get? So when you're done registering, you come back here, you deposit with USDT. You get? Use this network, Mantle has no charges. So if your USDT is on your Bybit, you send it to your Binance with Mantle, no charges. Or you can use Optimist. You get? You can use Optimism. This one is 0.00 something distance. So once you've done that, you come back to your Token Splash. If you come back to your Token Splash, you will see that your recharge has counted. So what is remaining is the trade. So you read what they ask you to trade. This one is $500 on spot. Notcoin is $100. If you deposit $100, you just trade. So this one you can just buy $5 worth of NOT and sell back. Do you understand? So you can just buy $5 NOT and sell back. So this is how Token Splash is. So once you're done with all of them, you wait for the reward. Nothing else. So if you're done with Token Splash, you can come to this is Launchpool. This Launchpool is just staking your money, $100 up. So if you come to this Launchpool, NOT is available. So you can go for this ton or USDT. What I would advise you to go for NOT is that if NOT deep, your money will deep too. But ton is kind of like pumping. So if you stake on ton, you get 388% yearly. So if you calculate it, what it will give you in a day, it is something huge. So let's say $1K can be giving you $17 here daily. You get? So Launchpool is risk free too. So these are the two things that are free on Bybit, but you need $100 minimum. So maybe when you're done with your Token Splash, you can just lock it here, stake it. Every 1 AM, your profit will drop free. So that is it. Very soon I will introduce Launchpad to you guys. But for now, just understand these two ones.